Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And right now let me check. The BTC has just broken this area of resistance, which was previously you can say this is the local resistance. You see some wicks around this area. So I think this candle has crossed above, but we need this candle to close above. That would be the main thing. The next level would be this one, 41,000 to 42,000, this one, because and you can also take this as the local support as well. If you take a look at here, as you can see, a lot of wicks downside on the downside. If we draw the, let me take it to this level here. If we take a look, sorry, let me draw a price tag. Yeah, price tag here. So 39,842 is also coming very soon. So let's take a look at the price analysis of XRP. XRP is moving very, as all the other coins are moving perfectly. So here you see, if we take a look at the XRP here, let me just make it more comfortable chart so that you can understand. If we take a look at the weekly one, we see this is a perfect spot here. This is a perfect spot, this one. Okay, 0.78. you see, this is one of the easiest charts to predict. You can see here we have also a region here as well. If we take this one as well, make it a lined chart as well. I'm gonna name the price tag here as well to around this one, 0.08, 0.80 and 0.78. so this is on a weekly chart, and weekly confirmations are way better. If we take a look at here as well, if we go back here, this candle has also broken this area as well, which was, if we take a look, which was the starting price of the XRP when it was listed. So we are also above this level as well. So make sure to keep an eye on the BTC price as well. This is important. This is very important. You see, very important right now, because BTC today has over the 4 hours it has grown up to 16%. You can see here 16% movement over the course of one day, might be 1 2 3 4 5 candles. So I might be seeing see a rejection at this level and a move up. So if we take a look at the XRP, you see here, let me check, this was the perfect zone, perfect support zone here, or demand zone, you can name this. Now what would be the next? If we draw a trend line, from this area, you see, if we draw perfect, it is matching perfectly, bounced off this trend line. And if I take this trend line as well and connect it to the next higher, or this one, this higher, yeah, this one could also be taken into the account as well. I'm not sure, but I can take this as well. I'm connecting this swing high to the swing high here. Okay, so also if we take a look here in the daily chart, if I go back to the daily, let me check if there is anything left. This can be a sport, but I'm gonna check it on the daily chart. So let's go on to the daily one here. If we take a look at here, we see a good bounce back of this trend line. You see, price went up, it's consolidated, then again bounced off this area. You see, it is moving in the bullish, and then it broke this resistance. Let me draw, I have found a resistance here, this one, and it broke out of this resistance. You see a retest at this level, and then the boom, the price went up again. If you take a look at here, this is quite similar. You see how the price is moving up, and same thing is here, its price is moving up. So if that is the pattern XRP follows, then we might see pull back to this level after reaching to this area. That would be good resistance as well. If we take a look at here, daily one, it's also making a local resistance, not the major one, it's a small resistance. If we draw here, and let me make it that dotted line here, so this could be, if we here draw, $1 is also coming very soon. So right now the price needs to consolidate for a moment, then price is going to move up. So we are seeing a perfect, let me draw this one. You see how perfectly this was in accordance to the trend line. So I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm going to have a look with the, you see that 100 EMA as well. So I might be seeing a retest to this level. Might be this candle is going to touch this white line, which is 100 EMA, and from there we can consolidate back or retest back. And if we get a wick down here, then surely we are going to move on the upside, and the yellow lines are gonna cross like this one. The green one would be this one, and the red one would be go below, and the white line would be something like this one. Then we would be in the uptrend. So right now we are what would be my next? Well, the next target would be this one, is a swing high. If we take a look with the help of our swing high analysis, if we draw this one, swing high, the previous swing low here as well. Okay, swing low, the price came down, went up, tested the swing high here. You see this is also swing high here. So it tested and got rejected from this area. You see this area, it was rejected, then again price came down but made a new swing. Previous it tested this area. If we take a look here, it tested this swing low, it came down, went up, made a new swing high, then went down, and then again went up, tested this previous swing high, came down again, tested, got rejected. Then here it was double bottom or double top, multiple times it was tested but got rejected. Again it tested this area, then again it tested third time, it was the triple top. So due to the triple top here, it has to go down, and it went down sharply. On the third attempt it was failed, and it went down to this level, and here it tested this swing low, this area. Now here it also made a new swing low here, which was on the spot. Now what could be the next price? Well, this one I'm looking forward the price to move to this area somewhere. This one would be the good spot. We can call this one 1.06, $1. We are approaching $1 today. Might be today or might be tomorrow. We're surely gonna touch this area, $1, and from there the price is gonna retrace back. Might be a pullback here, and then might be price is gonna touch this area. This is also a good swing low. This is also a good swing low. We can name this price tag as 1.25. So what I'm expecting the price to go from this one, then came down, and then we're gonna test to 1.25, then a retest here at $1, and then again if we have a good move ahead, then we can test this area 1.6 or 1.5. but that all depends on the BTC. BTC needs to close above this area. You can see here BTC is getting rejected, and this is well, this is not a good sign for the alts. We have to close above this area, which is, let me show you this one. We have to close above this area. Let me draw and delete this one. Okay, delete this one, delete this one. We have to close above at least 38. We need to close above 35, 38,500, so that the price needs to react. You see here the price went up, then got rejected from here, and then we had a great pullback. Now if it happens again, then we might gonna see a pullback to this level. Might be at this level here. We might see a pullback down to the next previous swing low. This one would be a good one. Yeah, we might see a retrace back to 36,000, because the price doesn't go like a parabolic. It has to come down for a retest, and if it gets rejected, then we can have a good move on the upside. So we have to look for various factors, many factors involved in deciding the price of a coin, any gold coin. It doesn't just, you know, behave like swing highs, swing lows. It depends on the BTC price, BTC dominance, all dominance. But I'm 90% sure the price is gonna touch $1 today, and then we can have a retrace back and then a move up. So that's it, guys. That was the XRP price prediction, Ripple coin price prediction. Thank you very much.